All right, good afternoon and welcome to Sober TV here on YouTube. Live from the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. The match day 3, Ghana Premier League 2023-2024. And yede ehon enkomo Bremenra. Yeje mumbebre adwenche for how you expect coach Yefen Ogum to make changes in the starting 11. A lot of comment, and it turns out that Mpenifo put most of your comments into consideration. Players ni bebre amoka say yense no confirmed lineup ne kutame no changes no enya bem ese me boboso edema goalkeeper sesa enti Danlad Ibrahim and that goal post no. He's the captain and also the goalkeeper. Now and no be or share video ni biano one set make ball possible 11 no. Na 99% done. Possible 11 kind sa pepepe and a lineup ne team. But my member boss who PM Emfa and Mount. George Mfegue is on the bench. Kalu Watara echo bench. Frederick Asare echo bench. John Teleku also echo bench. Augustine a Japan any team no. So close to 5 changes. And a PM Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no. Goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim on started. The goalkeeping department change about. Right back, and now I catch say a Japan ain't make it a 20-man squad. So Samuel Asamoah Abodo spotted in jersey number 27 on agent Mubi on about right back. So changes about right back. Left back, Nana Benyini Amwa, jersey number 13. Into John Teleku echo bench into left back so changes by send and right catch them 4 and 5 Yusuf Nuruddin 21 jersey on a branch friend Henry Ansu jersey number 15 to 4 and 5 no coach na maintain midfield Andrews Intim Menu jersey number 25 coach na maintain no Michael Che Jamana coach friend Ogum a maintain no. Inti 6 and 8 coach are maintaining. Oko number 9 na Steven Dese Mukwala and Steve Dese Mukwala jersey number 9 coach are maintaining no. Team no one sano. Moving forward. Number 10 position Serge Eric Zeze ababe red team no. Muni bebre na mo kan say coach Mazeze started. Jersey number 8 we red team no. Enti Shadrach Ado and I catch us 20-man squad no one make we need team no. They say Zeze and Ebo as the number 10 in front of the two central midfielders in Andrews in team men former Wafa Legon Cities player and Michael Che Jamana former Wafa captain. 7 and 11 no Peter Amidu Aqua jersey number 13 got signed in Free Park Academy or no airboat from the right side. Now Isaac upon Neymar and your start on also airboat from the left side. Into Danlad Ibrahim, Samuel Asamoah Nana Benyini, Yusuf Nuruddin, Henry Ansu, Michael Che Jamana, Andrews Intim Menu, Sergi Eric Zeze. Now when you Isaac upon Peter Aqua and a Steve Mukwala. Bench in the same here. Sharif Mohammed midfielder bench. Bernard Sumwa Sapon on a winger on also a bench. George Mfegue was bench. Kalu Watara was bench. Richmond Lamptey Baba Jaya was bench. Dawuni Yaya Frederick Asare and a John Teleku. We any players are a bench. Our main team and making the team. On the part of Karela no na say Asante Kotoko mrantie na na dodo obo mudi no omo e wo team no in Evans Adumaku Redu when you start captain for the day Mark Karela branch fan Abdul Fattah Mohammed former Heartful captain ono ejina mubi Abdul Mohammed goalkeeper and a Maxwell Ajiman na bebre expected Maxwell Ajiman so enya team no mawura enti kakre wo hono Abdul Bashiru on our bench near the but most of you are interested in Kotoko. Starting 11 near Bonnet to the Amamono. Sending right kind of pepe ɛna ɛtumi apio. Na me ado me bɛsen hyia ne de akem nyina abrɛm. Bye bye.